Yes, good morning to you all. Welcome to you all in Sanjay online classes. Aravi Sekhaut again welcome to you. So, we were reading about light, lesson number 9. So, in this chapter, we are just today starting to solve the numerical. How to solve the numerical based on mirror formula. And mirror formula you know very well, that is 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. So in this formula we are just going to use the sign convention too. We will start that how to use the sign negative or positive. Today we will read everything about this, okay, and how to solve these numericals. So as I told you, in this formula the distance from mirror that is measured from pole, in mirror it is measured from pole. The distance of object, this is object, this distance is u, okay, and the distance of image, here we have image, and from pole this is also measured, it is v. Distance of image is v, distance of object is u, okay. Third thing is focal length. You know very well, here if I have focal point f, so this distance from pole to focal point, this is focal length represented by small f, okay. The distance from pole to focal point, it is measured by small f. Focal length is denoted by small f, okay. Next thing about the sign I want to tell you. If in this mirror object is placed in left side according to the coordinates, as I told you that this is pole, in this you can see it is positive x and it is negative x, is it positive y and negative y. So in this whatever is given here, okay, if image is from this side, it means that v will be positive. If image is formed in this side, then v will be negative, okay. So it means left side image will be negative, object will be negative, and right side everything will be positive, okay. So I hope that you have got understood this. Now we are just going to start the solve the numerical, okay. So in the first numerical, read this carefully. An object is placed at a distance of 30 centimeter, okay, in front of a concave mirror, It is not necessary that he will give you concave mirror. He can write like this type, a saving mirror. So we should know about that, what is a saving mirror, in that which type of mirror is used. So that is concave mirror, okay. In our vehicles mirror, that is convex mirror. So like this way we have to know about the example too. If he is writing this, that concave mirror, so it means that we know about that. But if he is just writing about the example, then we should know about them also, okay. So at a distance of 30 centimeter in front of a concave mirror, so I am just going to draw this. This is a concave mirror. So this direction is in front direction, in front of a mirror, and this direction is behind direction, okay, back side you can say. This is in front direction. So he is saying to you, object is kept or placed at 30 centimeter. So it means that this is object and this distance is 30 centimeter. So it means you know about u is equal to 30, okay, because the distance of object is u. After this he is saying to you of focal length 10 centimeters. So focal length of this, imagine that this is focal point, this is focal length, this is 10 centimeter. So a small f also we know, that is 10 centimeter. Calculate the distance of image. Distance of image means v we have to find out. This is our question. What we have to find out? V. Distance of image. If he is saying to you distance of object, it means that u we have to find out, okay. and focal length, then you know very well about that. So in this question we will find out about V. Okay, rest of the thing, calculate the image from the mirror and nature too. And nature also we have to tell, means in nature we will tell that image is erect, virtual, right, upright, like this way we will have to tell. Okay, so I want to tell you, here we will take F focal length, this is 10 centimeter, but now we have to take symbol too. So you know that this is in left side, left direction. If this is curvature, so this is the left direction of coordinate and this one is right direction, so it will be negative. And the second thing, U, the distance of object, oh, it is also placed in the left direction, so this will be negative 30. Okay, and now we are just going to find out V in this question. So how we will solve this? We are just going to do this. How? See this now. According to the formula, 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. Keep the value. So when we place the value, 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon negative 10 is equal to 1 upon V, same as it, plus 1 upon negative 30, because the value of U is negative 30. So you know very well it is inside. In the integer, negative 3 upside and 4 downside, if it is positive and it is negative, symbols are different, at that time result will be negative. So same in this, this sign we can use here, and negative and positive will be multiplied, at that time result will be negative. 1 upon V is equal to minus 1 upon 30 is equal to negative 1 by 10. So I am going to solve this side. Negative 1 upon 10, we are just going to place this 1 by 30 or transfer this side, so it will be positive 1 by 30 equal to 1 by V. When we will take LCM, so 30 will be the LCM, 10 3s are 3 1s are, so it will be negative 3 plus 30 1s are 30. Okay, so it is negative 2 upon 30 is equal to 1 upon V. This is also 1 upon V. So negative 2 by 30 is equal to 1 by V, and we want the value of V, so we will cross multiply, it will be 2V is equal to 30. So V will be equal to 30 by negative 2, it will be negative 15, so V will be negative 15. This is the answer. So I want to tell you that if V is 15, or that negative 15, so it means this image is forming in this direction, because it is negative direction, and if this is negative, then nature of this image will be real and inverted. Real and inverted, and 15, so it means that here this image is formed, this is image. Okay, so we have solved first numerical. Now second numerical we are just going to solve. In this, an object is placed at a distance of 12 centimeter. Okay, in front of a concave mirror. Again we are just taking concave mirror, and the image is formed behind the mirror. Here I am sharing to you, listen. This is concave mirror. He is saying to you, image is formed behind. Behind means it will be positive. Yes or no? Because if any image is positive, then that will be virtual and erect. So behind the mirror, image will be virtual and that will be positive. So we have object here. Distance of object from mirror is U, and U is equal to 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter. And V at a distance of 48 centimeters. So here we have this image, and the distance of this from pole is V, and that is 48 centimeter. Okay. Now he just want to ask about focal length. What is the focal length of this mirror? And second thing, the nature. So nature you can tell easily. image will be virtual and erect, okay, because it is behind the mirror. So we will solve according to the formula 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. The value of u is equal to 12 centimeter and it is in left side, so it will be negative, and v is equal to 48 centimeter and it is in the right side, so it will be positive. And third one is small f, we have to find out. So put the value in this. After putting the value with a c, 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v, means 1 by 48, okay, plus 1 by u, means 1 by negative 12. So this negative and positive, when these will be multiplied, then this sign will be negative, okay. So here we will take LCM. 48 will be the LCM. 48 1 is 48. Here 12 4 ja 12 3 ja 36 and 12 4 ja 48. So negative 4 is equal to negative 3 by 48 equal to 1 by f, and after cross multiplying it will be equal 48 equal negative 3 of f. When we want small f, then this will be equal 48 by negative 3. After cutting this, we will get negative 16 centimeter. Okay, so the value of f is negative 16. I hope that you have got understood this. Rest of the question we will do on tomorrow, and you have to solve the numerical from your side. In the books these are given, okay, and I will also solve on tomorrow. Thank you.